Modern factories play a huge role in our daily lives, even though most people never see what happens inside them. Every day, millions of everyday products are manufactured using advanced machines, automated systems, and strict quality control processes. From food and beverages to household items, modern factories are designed to produce large quantities efficiently, safely, and consistently. In this video, we take a closer look at how modern factories transform raw materials into finished products that reach homes all around the world. The manufacturing process begins with sourcing raw materials. These materials are carefully selected based on quality standards set by the company. In large-scale factories, raw materials arrive in bulk and are stored in controlled environments to prevent contamination or damage. Before production starts, samples are tested in laboratories to ensure they meet safety and performance requirements. This step is crucial, as even small variations in raw materials can affect the final product. Once approved, the raw materials move to the processing stage. Automated conveyor systems transport materials through different sections of the factory. Machines are programmed to measure exact quantities, ensuring consistency in every unit produced. This automation reduces human error and increases production speed. Sensors continuously monitor temperature, pressure, and humidity to maintain optimal conditions throughout the process. One of the most impressive parts of modern manufacturing is the use of high-speed machinery. These machines can perform tasks such as mixing, shaping, filling, or assembling at incredible speeds. Robotic arms handle repetitive tasks with precision, allowing factories to operate 24 hours a day with minimal downtime. Human workers supervise the machines, handle maintenance, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Quality control is a major focus inside modern factories. Products are inspected at multiple stages of production. Cameras, scanners, and automated testing systems check for defects, size variations, and packaging accuracy. Any product that does not meet the required standards is automatically removed from the production line. This ensures that only safe and high-quality products reach consumers. After passing quality checks, products move to the packaging section. Packaging machines are designed to seal, label, and prepare products for transportation. Packaging not only protects the product but also provides important information such as ingredients, usage instructions, and expiration dates. In many factories, packaging designs are optimized to reduce waste and improve sustainability. The final stage of production is storage and distribution. Finished products are stacked, wrapped, and prepared for shipment. Advanced logistics systems track inventory levels and coordinate deliveries to retailers and distributors. This allows companies to meet global demand efficiently while minimizing delays. Modern factories also focus heavily on safety and environmental responsibility. Workers wear protective equipment, and machines are equipped with emergency stop systems. Many factories use energy-efficient technologies, recycle materials, and reduce water usage to lower their environmental impact. Sustainability has become a key part of modern manufacturing strategies. In conclusion, modern factories combine technology, automation, and human expertise to produce everyday products on a massive scale. The next time you use a simple product, remember the complex and carefully managed process that took place behind the scenes. Manufacturing is not just about machines, it is about precision, innovation, and constant improvement.